Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Arlo security cameras to default configuration, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your Arlo security cameras to their default configuration, start by ensuring your camera is powered on. Locate the sync button on your Arlo camera. On most models, this button is found on the top or bottom of the device. Press and hold the sync button for approximately 10 seconds. You will see the LED light on the camera flash amber, indicating the reset process has begun. Release the sync button once the LED light changes from amber to a blinking green light. This blinking green light signifies that your camera is ready to be set up again. Next, open the Arlo app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Arlo account, if prompted. Tap on the Settings option in the Apps menu. From the Settings menu, select My Devices. Locate and select the camera you just reset. Tap on the Remove Device option to unpair it from your account. After removing the device, return to the main menu of the Arlo app. Select the Add Device option to start the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure to enter the correct Wi-Fi password when prompted. Once the camera is successfully added back to your account, the default settings will be restored. Finally, adjust any settings as needed to customize your camera's functionality. Your Arlo security camera is now reset to its default configuration and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.